Welcome to Tammy's Ripping Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make some pumpkin spice chocolate chip cookies and also some double chocolate pecan pumpkin spice cookies. And so all the pumpkin spice is these 5 ingredients, and you will mix those all together. And here you have all the ingredients for the cookies, and I didn't have the vanilla out, so plus vanilla here. And just going to start by adding the coconut oil in, and then the sugars. And give that a good mix. Then add in your spices and the vanilla, the pumpkin puree, another good mix, then the almond flour, mix it really well, and then add in your chocolate chips, and again mix thoroughly. And here we have the yummy pumpkin spice chocolate chip cookie mix. And now it's time to chill it for about half an hour in the fridge, and then you will take it out and start to scoop it onto your parchment lined baking sheet, either with your cookie scoop or a spoon. And don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And now on to the double chocolate pecan pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. The only difference here is you will decrease your flour and add cocoa and then add your pecans. Other than that, it's all the same. I'm not sure about you guys, but I absolutely love chocolate chip cookies, and putting this pumpkin spice mix in was another twist that I did not expect to be so good. Absolutely delicious, both of the cookies. And I made an ice cream sandwiches too, one with peanut butter ice cream and one with pumpkin spice ice cream. And so I do have pictures on those, and I have some recipes for the ice cream on my website. So if you want to head over there, I will show you there how to prepare your ice cream for your ice cream sandwiches. Yeah, so these were absolutely out of this world. I do hope you give them a try. And if you do, please let me know. I would love to see them. And if you have any questions, just email me, DM me, contact me any way you can, and I'll be happy to help. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Again, thanks for watching.